What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Today, I have a super delicious, cheesy pizza recipe for you guys. If you're interested, please keep watching.
Cooking made easy.
Before we jump to our recipe, my name is Claude Mott and I am the owner and founder of Le Bongo Seasoning. Le Bongo Seasoning is an e-commerce website where we sell organic green seasoning, organic meat seasoning, organic barbecue marinade, organic jerk marinade, organic hot pepper sauce, and so much more. If you are interested in trying our product, I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. And guys, in this channel, I not only post quick and easy recipe, I also post videos on how I run my business, such as how I package my orders and also how I prepared my seasoning. If that is something that interests you, because I also share small business tips, please consider subscribing. Alright, let's start with our recipe. So for our pizza recipe, we have some chicken. I have breast chicken that I already cleaned and cut them. We have some tomato sauce. I have some bell peppers and red onions that I have already cut. I have some tomato. I already cleaned them and took the seed out. I have some mozzarella cheese, and I have a pizza dough that I already prepped. Actually, I got this from the store, but I already have it in the baking sheet prep. And we are using our organic meat seasoning. This meat seasoning is an all-in-one, and it is also safe for people who are vegetarian and vegan as well. The seasoning is gluten-free, easy to use. When you are using this seasoning, make sure you minimize your salt intake. Okay, now we are going to start by seasoning the chicken, and after that we are going to cook the chicken over the stove. Okay, I'm going to move everything aside so I can start working on seasoning the chicken. This is the organic meat seasoning that we are using. And our organic meat seasoning, guys, comes in 3 different heat level. We have a regular, a mild, and spicy. So now that our meat is fully seasoned, we are going to cook it over the stove. Now we are going to add some oil in the pot. Not too much, because we don't want our pizza to be greasy. Now we are going to add the seasoned chicken. And we are going to allow this to cook. I'm going to keep stirring until the chicken is cooked. Alright guys, and I use all the seasoning that I marinated the chicken with, and that's what gives us that nice consistent sauce. I didn't add nothing else. All the seasoning, and this is what the chicken is looking like. The chicken is pretty much ready at this point. Now we are going to start building our pizza. Alright guys, the pizza came out perfect. I really hope you try this recipe. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video.
Cooking made easy.